Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing the Keyboard app and enabling the Keyboard GPT plugin right away. This gets the core tool running. Once done, sign in and grant mic and clipboard permissions so the keyboard can accept voice and paste suggestions. Make sure to set language and text shortcut preferences now. You'll save time later. These initial settings explain why suggestions match your voice and typing style, and they let the model produce useful responses as you type. You next compose prompts directly in the keyboard field, either type intent or tap the microphone to speak. Once you provide a clear intent, use quick commands like /reply or summarize to steer output. These built-in shortcuts speed up execution. Make sure to set tone and length controls or paste one sample line of context so responses match style and brevity. Because the model adapts to your cues, this middle step turns short prompts into precise, usable text without heavy editing. You finish by reviewing the suggestion, editing inline if needed, and tapping insert to push the text into your message or document. Once done, use edit commands to simplify, expand, or correct grammar so the final copy fits your voice. If the keyboard returns no output or errors, check your internet connection, confirm microphone and clipboard permissions, or restart the Keyboard app. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues and explains why resets often restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.